Welcome to the new segment of the grade 7th history. We are discussing in that third chapter the Delhi Sultans. Delhi it was a very important city in the 12th century. Already I given an introduction part of this chapter. Today we are going to discuss about a different rulers of Delhi. The rulers of Delhi, the first in a 12th century, it was ruled by a Hindu kings. The first one that is a Rajput dynasties, that is Tomors, and second one Palas, Chauhans, and Chahamanas or Chauhans. Okay, so in a 12th, earlier 12th century, they are ruled by a Tomors, and Pala dynasty it was 1132 1145. Chauhans that is 1165 to 1195, and Prithviraj Chauhan he was they were ruled as 1175 to 1192. The after this, the early Turkish rulers. Okay, the Turkish rulers here, the slaves dynasty they were established in 1206 to 1290. The founder of slaves dynasty, known he was known as Qutbuddin Aibak. He was established slave dynasty in a period of 1206, and in his period only the important another some rulers were ruled these slave dynasty. Shamsuddin Iltutmish, Razia Sultan, and Ghiyasuddin Balban. In 1206 to 1290, these rulers were ruled. After Ghiyasuddin Balban, the Khilji dynasty it was established by Jalaluddin Khilji in a period of 1290. The Khilji dynasty's period was 1290 to 1320, and Alauddin Khilji his period was 1296 to 1216. So here again two rulers they are not given, because here 1230 it was period here mentioned. Next after the Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty it was established by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq in a period of 1220 to 1414. Tughlaq dynasty ruled Delhi. Okay, and the important rulers of these Tughlaq dynasty, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, bin they are not given here, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. These are the important rulers of Tughlaq dynasty. After the Tughlaq dynasty, Lodi dynasty it was established, that is Khazir Khan in a 1414 to 1451. After the Sayyid dynasty, the last dynasty it was the Lodi dynasty. Lodi dynasty it was established by Bahalul Lodi. The Bahalul Lodi was a founder of Lodi dynasty. So Lodi dynasty it was ruled by him, and again four rulers were ruled. Their period was 1451 to 1526. For the reference for this table, you can refer a NCERT textbook of grade 7th. Thank you.